Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this awesome motion blur profile picture on Picsart. So in here, what you need to do is open or add your photo into Picsart. So I'm going to find the photo first as an example. Okay, I'm going to add this photos right here. And now you can just click on the remove background and then change the background into black like this, and click on the check icon, go to effects, click on blur and add the motion blur effect, this one. Adjust it for the distance to 100 and fade 0. Now click on the check icon and then click on the arrow at the top to download the image. Okay, so now you can just go back, and in here I'm going to undo the edits. So this is the original photo. Find the add photo options, this one, and add the video that you just saved before, this one. Click on add. Now just fit the size. And after the size is fit, you can just use this eraser tool at the top and then just erase the part that you want. So you can just erase it how you like it. You can go with you can make it neat or not. So I'm going to just make it like this and click on the check icon and you are done. So that's basically all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.